Jen with Simple Luxuries Travel, and we are going to make our nature craft for the national parks. So we have gone outside and we've collected some things from flowers to leaves to sticks to mulch to everything to make this craft. So the girls are going to get started. Okay, we'll switch spots so you can be in front.
Glue.
Yep, pass the blue, girls.
Like, do you want a purple flower?
Yeah.
Or do you want it
Okay,
right
I'll
here?
help her. Go ahead.
I don't know.
Thank you.
I don't want it, but...
Yeah, so these are all things that we just found outside, right, girls?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, Danny, go ahead and put it. Yeah, you're just going to push it on there. Here, let's do this. Yeah, it's going to end up being, it will dry.
Yeah.
Here, fan it back. Okay, you want a leaf?
Yeah. I don't want the leaf to be very
Where do you want the leaf to go?
How
How about here?
I said.
Okay. You want to push it on?
I want to look it up.
Okay.
Wee!
I have a mountain of these.
Are you doing okay, G?
No, no.
Here, look. So put the petal there and just push right here. You might need more glue. Look, like this. Twist it out, girl. Yep, like that.
And also, I want to dip this.
You want to do what?
Dip.
Oh, okay, get that out. So there's no right and wrong for this. You just,
want one.
whatever you collected and you want to glue down, that's what we do. I did get
Take
glue
it
on here.
down.
One.
Okay, how about over here?
Like that.
Okay, and just put them
One
right here.
wavy one.
Okay, put
I
'em right
don't
there.
know where to put
You
it.
should stay.
Right here, right there, right there.
Wherever you want. Just make a really big thing of glue.
Put it.
Yeah, you need a lot.
We might have to come back with the glue Hannah has too.
I didn't know how to say me, so I got this one.
Okay, Daniela, what else would you like to put on here? Anything else? Did anybody get any?
Your hands move
This one is
really.
the same, so
I
just
want that.
You want
I
another
want
stick?
a big boy.
You want the big one? This one?
And I broke half my wig.
It's okay. You want a new one?
I got a
Just
big
get a new one. Here, you need one?
It's not funny.
Oh, okay. Where do you want that guy to go?
Right here.
Okay. Is that right?
These together.
Yeah, over.
Okay.
Then when you get hit, glue on your hand, it sticks to you.
Okay. Okay, you want to
That's that
hold
glue.
that down? Just for, you don't have to push hard, just hold it there.
Yeah. Not really safe.
Another leaf.
Another week. They're not really safe. Much. Where are you?
I'm using more.
Mom,
Yeah, you just have to,
will be right. Nothing.
he may not stay, but we'll try.
Look good. You really look good. Okay. Maybe a dip.
Maybe a stick.
Did you guys go get any grass? Maybe Hannah, you could go back outside and get some long pieces of,
Yeah, mine. This
These are
one's
weeds.
not a weed.
So
I want a weed. I want a big weed.
some of these weeds.
Yeah, it's big for weed.
okay, here, you want to glue that down?
I want to do this big right down.
Okay.
So I'm using a couple of the mulch
Okay,
to
that's
make
fine.
a wall, and half of them are not sticky.
Well, that's cool.
I think
Kind
that's
of
just
drag
the,
it over here.
I mean here. Nope. On this stick. Leaf flower.
Hannah, can I borrow your glue, please?
That one. Glue.
I don't think you quite need that much, Hannah.
Glue.
Do you want some of this glue, Gianna? It might work better than our glue sticks.
Glue. Yeah, I'm in
It's
it.
gonna be.
just has to dry, don't touch him. He'll be okay.
The big boy's gonna get. I know, don't touch it.
Mommy, can I have some?
Oh, I'm sorry. What else, Daniela? What else would you like to put on there? Do you want to draw anything?
Not anything.
No? No drawing of anything? Okay.
I feel like mine.
Borrow you do.
How do you like it, Mom?
That's great.
What day? Hannah, Dad, tell me what day.
I need to help gluing these guys down. These look like they're not gonna stay.
Yeah, the leaves are a little bit harder. Mine keep popping up, so.
Good job, G.
Now,
Oh, another stick? Okay, where at? Right
Making
there?
a log.
Okay.
That's what I'm doing. See?
Okay, hold on. He'll just stay right there. We
You
just
have
let
to
him.
really push them.
Okay, now another leaf? Okay, let me see.
Let's see. I
Let's
think I'm gonna.
Where do you want him to go? Right down here?
I'm making a wall.
Oh.
I already
okay.
did. That's my log.
Alright, let's
I'll
see.
make more of the log.
Go like this.
I'll keep making the log. Make me more. I'm having a big log. That's a strawberry.
Alright, what else? What else, Daniela?
I think that's my
You want another stick? Okay.
It's a big one.
I think after we can borrow your bill.
Oh, yeah, you want that glue? Okay, Jane. Can I see your
Let's
glue?
get it out.
Do you have the stick that you want to use? Okay.
There's a worm in the fruit.
Cute. Can I see the glue since you've already put it on paper, please? Thank you. Where do you want this to go, Daniela?
I think next
Here? Okay.
that I'm making a lot. A baby picture.
Okay. Oh, wait, gee, can I borrow it again? Sorry.
What was it?
Oh, okay. Never mind. Sorry, Jane. Thanks. Okay. Do you want to draw anything?
No.
No?
I'm just gonna put that.
What do you think?
I'm just away. I'm
You're gonna let this.
the double deal.
Yeah?
Okay, let's make it in the center.
Okay, no.
What do you think? Draw the sun up here.
Mommy. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on up here.
Draw the sun.
And then like that.
Like this? Okay.
Nice. Thank you.
Oh, gosh, Gianna. What's going there? Oh, that's a lot. Good job.
Okay, I want another thing.
You want another thing?
I want one more, like this.
What do you want? Did you want me to draw the sun here for you?
I want another, like this.
Another stick?
Yeah, like this one. Like this.
Oh, another one like that? Okay, let me see what I can find in here. I think I have the perfect one. Here you go. How about right there?
Like that.
Okay, so Gianna, when you're done with the glue, can we...
Oh, well.
So what else did you end up drawing, Hannah? A mountain? Very
And
pretty.
it's in the way of the sun. It looks
Nice.
so cool.
Wait, where is it done?
Right there. It's sunsetting.
Thank you. Do you want me to draw a mountain in the background of yours?
Why did this, Danny?
You want a mountain? Okay. We'll put that in there.
This is
Okay.
my mountain. You know,
Oh, very good, Gianna. Did it not stay? Hold on.
I didn't have to glue any that. I think
Oh, you made the mountain out of the stuff that you collected. That's great.
Wait,
Okay, Danny, where do you want me to draw your mountain?
I'm gonna make this spot
Right here?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Mountain.
What else can I glue?
They'll be up in the background for you, Danny.
There we go. I have finished mine. This is what mine looks like.
Oh, that'd be nice, Hannah.
There you go.
This
Make
is what
some
you see.
grass?
You see a log, the mountain, the sun setting, and some leaves falling in your face.
There you go.
I want like a warm
Mom, this is what you see. You see flower petals falling, you see leaves falling, you see a log, you see
Very
a
good.
strawberry and a worm eating it,
All right.
and then you see the mountain stuff. That's
Turn
what
her
mine
sideways.
looks like.
Okay, G, I think you've used so much glue. Do we have any left?
No, we have some more.
You did a great.
I need more.
Oh, I think we're all good now. Here we go. Look, see, you've got mountains in the sun and all this stuff. So from the video that we watched within national parks, which national park do you think that you want to visit?
I think the one with the geysers.
So Yellowstone
Yeah, Yellowstone.
with
Yeah.
Old Faithful. Is that the one that you mean with all the steam coming out? And
Yeah.
stuff like that?
That one looks so cool.
Yeah, it does look very neat, doesn't it?
Oh, and the one with the super old tree.
Oh yes.
That one's
With
cool.
the redwoods, how
Yeah.
tall and big they are.
Some of the tallest trees are there.
Yeah.
And there's the oldest and tallest tree over there.
That's right.
One thing, one thing what is flawed, everything else is like.
Yeah, you did a great job. You made a mountain with the stuff that you collected. That's great. Okay, so passports. Hannah,
I thought it
is
died.
this Daniela?
I thought it died, Mama.
Okay, honey. Okay, G, I'm gonna move yours up here. Can you move the markers for me so that we
I got
can?
Spider-Man in here. I got Spider-Man in here.
Yes, you have Spider-Man.
But
Okay, I'm gonna move this here. Okay, G, are you okay?
now I go on me.
Okay, so now we need to put some national parks in our passport.
I'm
Okay.
not coloring.
So
I think I'm gonna.
with the national park video that we watched, you could draw a mountain, right? There was lots of mountains.
Can you hand me a crayon?
And you can make the mountain in any color, gray. You can do blue. You can do yellow. Okay.
I want this.
Let's see. Because there was lots of mountains with snow, right?
Made
So,
mine.
do you remember any of the states' names that you saw?
No.
So Utah was one of them.
Utah,
Mhm.
Alaska.
Alaska, yeah. So
Um,
let's do, Danielle, let's do some. So we're just doing our passports. What do you need, honey? You need me to write something for you? Oh,
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
oh, okay.
this is what mine is. I'm gonna.
Oh, that's a
scribble.
very good mountain.
And then
Okay.
all the other darker ones
Uh-huh.
are like trails.
So let's move this over here where we can get to this a little bit easier. Let's do,
Which
how about those tall trees, right?
Oh yeah.
You don't have to write anything, Hannah, just draw. You'll know.
What idea?
Right, we saw the tall trees, the redwoods.
The red rose. The red rose. Yes,
And then there's that super thick one.
No. The big,
These are all the national parks, right?
like, the tiny ones are so tiny. Big,
Let's
Yeah.
see, let's draw some,
tiny. No, the tiny.
we saw some deserts too, right?
Mm-hmm.
Arizona,
No, the
Wyoming,
tiny.
and we had, this one has a river.
Oh, the little, yeah. The little.
Gonna make a desert.
Through the grass. Oh, and Everglades in Florida.
I even took you handed
And then-
those doors. Water one.
Okay. So we need
Desert.
desert, yeah. Well, we saw those cactuses. We could draw a cactus in one. Those cactus were crazy with all those.
Mommy,
How tall they were, right?
Are you gonna be done yet?
We're still doing this.
I'm a yellow.
Some of the cactuses were like bushes, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, I'm a yellow left. We have
Okay.
a yellow, right?
I need.
We need yellow.
We need yellow. What do we need yellow for? Oh, we can put the hot sun, right?
Hot doing yellow.
Right? And when we saw those, like the Grand Canyon. What color do you need? I'm sorry, I can pass it to you.
Blue.
Make a canvas.
Yeah, you draw like mountains, and we saw a river, and we saw, what else did we see in that?
Desert.
Desert. And then we saw,
A lot of trees.
yeah, a lot of trees.
What is the water
The
deep?
Grand Canyon. Let's do that one,
I
Daniela.
think
I don't even know how to draw that.
Grand Canyon, you can't.
Yeah, no.
We'll just make the Grand Canyon really brown with lots of.
Oh, I picked one.
That's fine. I'm sure it looks orange too. Oh, and the archways, right?
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
I'm making different like mountain parts.
Okay.
Canyon.
What else was there?
The big redwood trees. You got that?
Oh yeah, I got
Did you draw a cactus? Good. Yeah. Did you just draw like?
Draw the mountain over there.
Okay, good.
Mommy, it's a door.
So the Shenandoah and the Appalachian Trail.
Mommy, it's a door.
That's kind of like just a whole bunch of forest stuff. So lots of trees, right? Lots of trees. Lots of trees. And you could do it for fall, right? Because we know around here when it's fall, everything's like orange and red and real pretty colors, right? And that's when things are really, really pretty in the forest,
Yeah.
right?
I just draw
Mom.
one green.
Mommy, I got ball.
You're the palm.
You're the bone.
Sorry, did you do brown?
Bone. I won.
See how pretty it is? That's Virginia in the fall, right? That's where we live. Okay. What other places? We need some mountains with some snow on top for Alaska, right?
Yeah, if you're gonna go to Alaska.
Wouldn't that be so pretty? But Mommy would only like that in the summertime.
Okay, when you talk about
Mommy don't like cold. Coldness will be
That's
one
outside.
thing.
Maybe
That's
when you're
okay,
bigger,
then.
Danielle.
Let's call that so now.
There, and there's snow all over the place.
Mom.
Alaska.
What do you?
I just used a blue crayon and drew.
Take that way.
No.
Bye.
Okay, hold on.
What else did we see? Oh, wait. Am I supposed to wait for Jenny?
Good job. All right. This is Jen from Simple Luxuries Travel, and we'll see you real soon.
Bye.